Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I prepared some beautiful DIYs that you can make for yourself today. As always, my DIYs are simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. I'll be starting off with this old apothecary jar that I already had, and I'm just going to paint the inside of the lid with some translucent Elmer's glue. Guys, what I have here in this bowl is just some diamond glitter that I pulled off of a bling ribbon strip that I picked up from Amazon. And I'm just going to sprinkle that diamond glitter on the inside of the lid. And I'm doing it this way so that I have more control over where I'm placing the diamond glitter. Once I'm done doing this, I'm just going to set it aside to dry and begin to work on the body of the project. I'm going to use these gold leaf wall stickers that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using this diamond bling ribbon and it's from Amazon. I'm also going to add this smaller gauge bling to the inside rim of my lid. I'm going to add some push lights that are on a timer, and I'm also going to add some diamond base filler. And so here's what it looks like. What do you guys think? For my next DIY, I'm going to use this small fishbowl from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to paint the inside of it with more of that Elmer's translucent glue. I'm going to be using this tube confetti from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to cover the inside of it with the gold tube confetti. I do want to point out here that you will need to do maybe about 2 coats of this tube confetti in Elmer's glue mixture because it tends to slide a little bit. So yeah, just keep that in mind if you plan on recreating this for yourself. Now I'm going to use this diamond shaped tea light holder, and it is from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to hot glue it to the bottom of my project. And here's what it looks like. I really love it. What do you guys think? And so guys, that's it. That's all that I have for you today. 2 really simple DIYs that you can recreate for yourselves. I really hope you've enjoyed this little video because I've enjoyed making it for you. If you have, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, as well as subscribing to the channel and hitting that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.